This is a Stihl BG86C leaf blower. Now, this was given to me because it's hard to start, and when you do get it started, it starts dumping gasoline out the exhaust and then stalls, which most likely means there's something wrong with the carburetor and it's just pouring fuel into the intake. Now, most of these small engines like this on leaf blowers, chainsaws, weed eaters, things of that nature, use a form of diaphragm carburetor, which is basically like the Mikuni jet ski carburetors that we've rebuilt on the channel in the past. So I'm going to pop this thing apart and see what we can find and replace this carburetor, get this thing going again so that we can clean up leaves, I guess. Let's dig into it. This is probably our air cleaner. Yep, okay, we got a little air cleaner in here. We're going to have to take this off. Look at the gas all over down in here. These are just 5/16. That piece off. We got a little gasket here. Pull that off. Go. That one off. This one down here. Okay. And there is our carburetor. Now it's very dirty. Under this side of the carb, if we pull off the primer bulb and this little block, you'll note if you've seen the inside of a jet ski carburetor, specifically a Mikuni carburetor, this is going to look very familiar. Most likely this diaphragm right here is ripped and that's causing us some grief. So what I did is I just went and got a complete replacement carburetor. I'll hold on to this for a little bit just in case maybe some parts could be useful or something along those lines. Here's this carburetor, and as you can see, it is pretty much ready to be installed. It's got all the right fittings in all the right places, so we will just hook it all up and put it on here. Okay, so it's dark outside, but you should be able to still hear if this thing starts. So let's see. Hold that down to stop so it's good there. Prime it. Choke on. Take the choke off. Oh, it's trying. Now we can do what everybody wants to see and turn this into a flamethrower.